I'm honored to be here because I'm amongst the people who are passionate, who are committed, who understand technology, and who want to contribute towards the social good for the population. That's the reason I'm excited. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this All.ai, a week long summit that will give you a deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Now, everybody talks about artificial intelligence. They say 60 to 70% of the CEOs are talking about AI, but unfortunately, only 10% of them are using AI. So I want to share a quote with you. Thomas Edison said that the value of an idea lies in the using of it. And what better time than now? It is actually a perfect storm, a storm of convergence of technologies, a storm where the population scale need is there, whether it is the pandemic, whether it is global warming, whether it is cybersecurity, the need is happening. What do we have to do? We have to now drive action. We have the technology, we have the need, we have to drive action. So this entire 7 days is going to be about action. Let me tell you, in the year 2000, 1 teraflop of compute would cost $50 million. Today, 8 teraflops cost us only $600. 5 teraflops would be sitting in your phone. That's where technology has come. Let me also tell you that the world is become a data factory. Think of India, 1.3 billion people and about 1.21 billion devices, 630 million internet users. We are a data factory. We are generating data day in, day out. So much so that I will tell you today, roughly we have 18 to 25 zettabytes of data. However, in just 5 years, the belief is we will have 175 zettabytes of data. Now, data is supposed to be oil, but it turns into oil once it becomes information, and it becomes information through technologies like AI. So I'm very happy to tell you that the partners and us, the partners which Lakshmi, told you about, IIIT Hyderabad, the government of Telangana, the Public Health Foundation of India, Intel, and government of India, METI, a lot of us came together, including ISB. We came together to work on several sectors: health sector, smart mobility sector, as well as looking at making the labor efficient. We have been collecting data for the last 2 years, and we have been generating a lot of valuable information. These next week, we will be talking about this. We will be seeking your support. We will be seeking your partnership such that we use the data and understand its effect on society. Tailor it. Tailor the intervention such that we can reduce the disparities in our country. GDP of Bihar is only $600 as compared to GDP of Goa, which is 6,000, 10x difference within our own country. We have to build tailor-made interventions such that we can create population scale solutions for our people, for the world, and for humanity. With this in mind, we invite you to the All.ai Summit from October 12th through 16th, organized by the partners I mentioned, with the focus to leverage India and its massive potential to develop AI solutions and create value for humanity. This event provides you tremendous opportunity to hear from visionaries, to share your thoughts, to seek information, to be inquisitive, because there are experts from multiple disciplines, multiple geographies coming here to partner with us, to share with us, and to solve the population scale challenges that I'm talking about. If you look at how action happens, There is an input, there is an output, and then there is action in between. Input, I already talked to you about. We have data, we have people, we have problems. Action is what we will define and give you the update on, such that the output is value for human beings. That's what we will be talking about. So welcome to the beginning of this week-long summit, which is much more than conference because it's action-oriented. It'll talk about action, it'll share action. Thank you very much. I would love to invite the Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal ji, Srimati Anita Karwal, Secretary, Ministry of Education, Shri Manoj Ahuja, who's the chairperson of CBSE, Dr. Saha, who's the director of Skill Education, because with this partnership, we have enabled skilling of our youth. I will not steal the thunder, I will let them talk about it, but a growth of a country lies in the education of its youth, and that's what we have been able to do. So I would love to invite, thank you very much, and looking forward to your excited participation the next 4-5 days.